Hi, my name is Albert Gallo. I'm an engineering teacher at Sato Academy of Math and Science, and I'm also the coach for the drone soccer team. The game is played with 5 players, 1 striker, 1 goalie, and 3 defenders. Each set is 3 minutes, and the match is determined by the winner who's won 2 out of the 3 sets.
As a company and my team members and employees, we are proud to support students for California's future in energy and overall science and technology.
A lot of the fundraising that has to be done for our team is done by the students themselves. We've been able to manage local tournaments. We're raising funds to facilitate our travel expenses. The other expenses that the team uses is for drones and batteries, and most of that can be used by or obtained by getting grants through the schools. But most grants don't pay for travel expenses. And so this was extremely important that the CRC made this donation, because otherwise it would be fundraising that we would have to do outside of school.
Today we came to Sato Academy to take a tour of this high school and also show back the students some of the stuff that we do with drones at CRC.
We're here to talk to them also about career paths in science, engineering, mathematics.
We both give value to each other, kind of learning off from each other. We both have a lot to offer to each other, and it's a great relationship that we get to utilize.
Our team has been flying now for a few years. None of them knew how to fly a drone when we first started the program. We picked them because of their engineering skills and because of their interest in wanting to know about aerospace. And we practice a couple of days a week, and they've been doing it, like I said, about 2.5 years now. There's no way we could have done it without your help.
Thank you, CRC.